Local news for Monday the 15th of April. New Zealand's National Organic Week is on at the end of this month. It's the largest annual celebration of all things organic, from food and farming to wine, beauty and textiles. An organic extravaganza event with several contributors will take place on the 27th of April on Naples Street, Martinborough. Pukaha National Wildlife Centre has welcomed the world travelling giant weta, a sculpture designed and made by the Auckland Burners. The weta attended the Burning Man Festival in 2016 before being donated to Pukaha. Today we will celebrate the world's oldest Anzac Day service for the 103rd time on the 25th of April at 10:30 in the morning. Brigadier Hugh McCaslin will be the speaker at this year's service. And in sport and club rugby from the weekend, second round wins went to Ekirahuna, Gladstone and Carterton, while Marston and Red Star were on the end of another big loss, going down 69-5 to Greytown.